Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today talking about ribbon, back on trend, and you always end up with little bits left over. Maybe you're at the end of a roll, not quite enough for a bow, but far too much to throw away. When you have that happen, combine lots of the bits into one sampler. It allows you to have a beautiful bow, multiple textures, and using up all those little bits. Just start making your bow just like you would normally, going back and forth, twisting, and then add in the next one. And it ends up making a beautiful bow, and depending on the season, it can be for Valentine's, it can be for a wedding, it can be for prom, but it gives you such a lovely finish, just kind of looping it all together, wiring it off, and you have a beautiful sampler bow to use to enhance your arrangements. Now you know how the pros do it.